Meet Sylvia Ho, a lawyer who's got the legal info that business people need to know.
Hi everyone, this is Sylvia Ho, and this video is on the Connecticut Home Improvement Act. The Home Improvement Act covers home improvement contractors. Home improvement contractors are any contractors that do business on a homeowner's home to improve that home, meaning a contractor that will add an addition or do any carpentry work, any work other than work that are done by trades such as electricians and plumbers. So the Connecticut Home Improvement Law requires that all such contractors have a home improvement license. That is a criteria for being a home improvement contractor, for being able to collect for the work that you do. However, and most home improvement contractors do that, but what most home improvement contractors are not aware of are some of the requirements of what is supposed to be contained in their contracts. And this is what this lesson is about. So the Connecticut Home Improvement Law requires home improvement contracts to be written for every home improvement job, And there are certain requirements that are contained by the law that if you don't have these provisions within your contract, you would not be able to collect for the work that you do. So let's go through this because I'm pretty sure that a lot of contractors have never seen this page. So Connecticut law requires your contract to be written, including all changes and modifications. So any change orders must also be written. The contract requires that your home improvement license number be a part of the contract. The law requires that there should be 4 dates on the contract, including the date of the signature, the date that the work will begin, and the date that the work will be completed, and the date by which a homeowner can cancel. The date that the consumer can cancel has to be within 3 business days after signing the contract. Saturday is a business day. So if you are signing a contract, you have to give that notice of a right to cancel within those 3 business days, which may include a Saturday. If you don't have these attached as part of your contract, that is going to cause problems for collecting for the work that you have done. And this could be an enormous amount of grief because you buy materials, you put substantial amounts in it, and you won't be able to recover that in court or even put a mechanic's lien on the homeowner's property. So the law also requires that both the contractor and the consumer sign and date the contract. And a copy of the contract and a copy of the notice of right to cancel should be given to the homeowners. The notice of cancellation should be a part of the contract so that you could leave it with them. And the right to cancel should be close to the signature of where the homeowner signs. So this is just a brief discussion of the home improvement laws. Most often, I have received calls from contractors after a consumer has had a disagreement with them over something that the consumer is not happy with within the property that has been worked on. And I'm asked, can I put a mechanic's lien here? Or the consumer is so angry, the consumer has decided not to pay. And most often I've read these contracts and they do not comply. So it's very important that now that you know that you have a contract that complies with the Home Improvement Act. I hope that was helpful for you.